Hi everyone, in this video I will be teaching you how to greet in French. There are three major greetings in French, and that is bonjour, bonsoir, and bonne nuit. Bonjour means good day, bonsoir means good evening, and bonne nuit means good night. Other greetings are bonne journée, have a nice day. Bon voyage, safe trip. Bonne arrivée, welcome. Du courage, well done. À bientôt, see you soon. À tout à l'heure, see you later. À demain, see you tomorrow. Au revoir, goodbye. Now, let me teach you a greeting song. Now I'll tell you the meaning later. Bonsoir, mon ami. Bonsoir, mon ami. Bonsoir, mon ami Juliette. Bonsoir, mon ami Jeanne. Bonsoir, mon ami. Bonsoir, mon ami. Bonsoir. Bonsoir means good evening, as I've said earlier. When you say mon ami means my friend. Bonsoir, mon ami. Bonjour, mon ami. Bonjour, mon ami. Good day, my friend. Bonsoir, mon ami. Good evening, my friend. Bonne nuit, mon ami. Good night, my friend. Now, if your friend is a man or a boy, you will omit that E in brackets. If your friend is a girl or a woman, then you add the he. So, the pronunciation is still the same, mon ami. Question time. What are the three major greetings we have in French? Name them. 1, 2, 3. Good. Identify these greetings in English. À tout à l'heure. À tout à l'heure. Good. Bon voyage. Great. À demain. Excellent. Au revoir. Great. If you like my video, please share, subscribe to my channel, and click on the notification bell so you can get notified anytime I post new videos. Thank you. Bye.